Imagine selling a product of 2,000 naira to 100 people every month. That is about 200,000 naira. Now, let's say you're selling this product of 2,000 naira to 5 people every day. That is about 300,000 naira by each end of the month. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I was able to make about $100 selling a low ticket product and how you can replicate my system to make your first dollar online if you're trying for a way to make money online. So, if this is your first time seeing my video, my name is Emmanuel. I'm just a college dropout who started sales and marketing. So, in this video, I share with you my challenges on sales and marketing, the lessons and learn, and some of the few tips that will help you make money online. Alright, stay to the end of the video and subscribe to this channel if you love what I'm doing. So the first thing we're gonna be looking at is 1, how do you actually get those low ticket offer? 2, how do you get audience to sell it to? 3, how do you get those audience to give you money? So these are the 3 things that you need to make money in this low ticket offer: a product to sell, audience to sell to, and how to get those audience to give you money. So first of all, we're gonna be looking at how to get this low ticket offer. Now, low ticket offer it's not something that to make you a multi-millionaire or a multi-billionaire, but it's something that will help you pay your bills, learn some necessary skills that will help you to scale up your business, you understand? So if you're making about 200,000 naira monthly or even 100,000 naira from a side hustle, you can able to pay some necessary bills, you understand, and even buy some courses that will help you to scale to higher low ticket offers. So the first thing you're gonna be doing is that if you want to get a product that will, this low ticket product, there's 2 things involved. Is it that you create your own product or you do affiliate marketing for other people that have this product already? Now, creating your own product might be a very little bit stressful, but that is by the way. We also show you how to create it. But getting affiliate marketers, promoting other people's products, you just go to seller, Espartania, Stakeout, promote other people's products. This one is less stressful. You don't need to do any work. All you have to do is connect buyer to seller and make the money. So if you are thinking of creating a low ticket product, you want to create it yourself, one of the things you have to be considering is that how do you actually create this product? How do you actually create this product that people want to buy? Now, if you want to create this product, that is what I call doing survey. You have to first of all do survey to understand what the marketplace actually needs. You get the point? Now, a lot of people are selling product that the marketplace don't want. This is the mistake I did in the beginning. Now, if you just create product and start looking for people to sell it to, it is very, very difficult for you. But when you get to the audience and ask them, hey, what do you need? They will give it to you, and then you're gonna make it their product and present it to them. It is way more easy for you to sell that faster. Like for instance, I'm an affiliate marketer consultant. So whenever I want to create a product, I would first of all ask affiliate marketers, what's their biggest struggle at the moment? Most of them will say generating lists. Most of them will say trying to convert this into paying customers. Most of them will say handle sales objection and all this sort of. So I know that this is what they're studying. So what I do is I ask them, if I create a product on this, will you be interested in it? Most of them say yes, I'm interested. And then all I have to do is go and create this product and come here and present it to them. You understand? It will be that you see that it will be easier for me to sell out my product. But if I just go ahead, create a product, I come present, say bye, it will be even difficult. So first of all, you have to do a survey and understand what your audience really wants. Like now, for instance, okay, I had already 2 ladies yesterday doing conversation with my son. Another one is like, I don't want to go to studio piece again. They charge a lot of money, you understand? Another ones are like, yeah, they charge a lot of money. So you can create a very product on this that ladies now going to studio is expensive and they want to look more beautiful. So you can create a low ticket offer to show them how they can edit. I'm giving you understand how they can edit their videos on CapCut, how can edit their videos on eShort, how they can edit their videos on AI that will make them look way more beautiful rather than going to studio to design their piece. And you can sell it as little as 2,000, 1,500, 3,000 naira, and a lot of them will buy because they want to look more beautiful. Now, like I said before, I have a low ticket product that I'm selling to affiliate marketers on how to handle sales objection. You understand? It's very low ticket, about 2,000 naira, 2,500. You understand? So when you want to create a product of your own, you should first of all ask your audience, ask the people. If you already have social media platform, all you have to do is you choose the niche that you want to go in. Do you want to go in health niche, about health? Do you want to go into money niche, how to make money online, or do you want to go into relationship? You understand? So when you choose your niche or the place you want to build your audience on, the next thing you have to do is ask them the biggest struggle on that niche. Let me say you choose a niche on how to lose on health. Now ask them difficulties. What's your difficulties in your head today? Some people will be like, I have toothache. Some people will be like, I always have stomach pain whenever I eat night food. Some people will be like, I always feel fatigued and all these things. So what you have to do is that you go to ChatGPT, list out their sell goals, and ask ChatGPT the solution to this thing, and you package it in the form of ebook and sell it to them. So if you're creating products, you are a newbie, you need to understand it might be very, very difficult for you. So you can go on platforms like Seller, Experience, TikTok, and look for already made product that people have already created, and then promote it, and it will be way more easier for you. You promote it to people. You understand? So that is the first one. Now you have gotten your product. The second one is how do I get audience to sell this product to? Now there are different ways you can get audience to sell this product to. You can run paid ads. You can reach out to people one-on-one. You can create content. You can do cold outreach. But these things are effective. But I'm going to show you with you the ones I'm currently doing that is getting me the most result, and the one that you should do if you are just starting out. So the one that I do at the moment is what I call creating content and reaching out to people one-on-one. So what do I mean by creating content and reaching out to people one-on-one? You create educational content that solve real problem in that niche. You understand? Now let me say I'm an affiliate consultant. If you go to my YouTube channel and you see I made a lot of videos that can help affiliate marketers solve a problem, like how to build relationship with prospects, how to use storytelling to sell their product, how to handle sales expectation, how to get their first 10 customers, how to do a lot of things. That is educational content. Now what this educational content does is whenever they see your content and you have your content done the right way, they believe that, wow, this person can do the job, and they will actually hire you to do the job for them. You understand? So what happens whenever you are promoting this content, don't promote your paid product stuff, because nobody believes in you. So what you have to do is in the link of your video or in the description of your video, put a link there that leads to your WhatsApp group. You understand? When you put a link that leads to your WhatsApp group, is they join your group, and that is when you get to know them, collect their content, build that relationship with them. You understand? When you build that relationship with them, they get to view your status, and then you get to show them. And when you're selling a product of 2,000, don't say that as a main product, sell it as a supplement. You get the point now. Now in my group of affiliate marketers, I teach them a lot of things, and I will sell them supplement. Like, if you want to learn how to handle situation objection, we have already made scripts that will help you handle more objections from your prospect. You just copy it and paste it to them. This is a supplement, and I'm getting more sales from it. You understand? So you create content that solves any problem. Educational content. If you don't know how to get educational content, you can ask ChatGPT. So after creating this educational content that solves any problem, depending on the niche that you're doing, you can reach out to them one-on-one and make your offers to people and say them, hey, this is what I'm having, and this is the solution you can get you, and this is how you can get it. You understand? Make an offer to them. So that you have reached out to people one-on-one, you create educational content. The next thing is, how do you get them to give you money for your product? How? Simple. Keep on providing value. So what I do is that in my group on WhatsApp, I keep on providing value, and at the end of the day, I add a little caption. If you want to know how to handle situation, get my script on seller. I add it as something as whenever I want to create a product, there are things I consider. Number one, it must be faster for them, and it must increase speed. So I add it as a supplement, and most of them go to seller and get it. You get the point? So that is just the point. So these are the three things you need to make money selling low ticket offer. Get a product. How do you get a product? Is either you create your own product or you do affiliate marketing for people. So after getting a product, what's the next thing you do? You build audience. How do you build audience? Either by creating educational content consistently, and then you reach out to people one-on-one. This helps you to build a loyal audience. Then after building an audience, how do you get them to give you money for your product? Present to them some materials that will help them get faster results. Let me say in your health needs, you can share people some supplements that will help them get whitening teeth, or you can help them get, you say them supplement that help them lose weight faster, depending on what you're doing. So this is how I make money selling low ticket offer, and this is how you can replicate my system to also make money selling low ticket offer. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and comment.